Hey Xavier, it's Miss Spencer. I hope you're feeling better. We miss you and we want you to come back as soon as you can. I'm going to be showing you what we did in class yesterday, which was making equivalent fractions with visual models or pictures. So we're going to start by folding this piece of paper into halves. So we have one whole. We're going to fold it in half. And when we open it up, we should have two pieces. We're going to shade one of these pieces here. So right now we have 1/2 shaded. I'm going to put 1/2 on our dry erase board. And we're going to come up with equivalent fractions that also represent half of our entire figure. So going back to our strip, 1/2 of our entire paper is shaded. If we fold it this way, so it's this long skinny rectangle, and we open it up, notice we didn't shade any more of the paper and we didn't erase or get rid of any of the purple. So half of the entire paper is still shaded, but now instead of having two pieces, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and 2 of the 4 pieces are shaded. So half of the entire paper is shaded, but instead of us saying 1/2, we can say 2 out of 4 pieces are shaded. 1/2 is equivalent or equal to 2/4. These are equivalent fractions, and equivalent just means that they're equal to each other. They represent the same amount. So let's go back to our paper. We have our 4 pieces. We can make this even smaller pieces and still representing a half. So if we fold it like we had originally, and we fold it again, when we open it up, let's see, half of the paper is still shaded, but now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces total, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those pieces shaded. So half of our entire paper is shaded, but 4 out of 8 total pieces are shaded. Notice as we kept folding and we made more parts, each of the parts got smaller. So the bigger the denominator, which is the number on the bottom, the smaller each piece is. We're going to do the same thing, but now we're going to be using thirds. So I'm going to get rid of this and a new piece of paper. And we're going to be folding this into thirds. We open it up. We have 3 equal-sized pieces. We're going to shade one of them. All right, so 1/3 of our entire paper is shaded. I'm going to put 1/3 on our dry erase board. And we want to make equivalent fractions that are equivalent to 1/3. So 1/3 of the paper will still be shaded. To do this, we're going to fold it, once again, the long rectangular way. And when we open it up, we'll see now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and 2 of those 6 pieces are shaded. So 2, 6 is equivalent to 1/3. Notice we didn't add any more purple, we didn't take any purple away. 1/3 of the entire paper is still shaded. Let's go back to the dry erase board. 1/3 equals the 2 pieces that were shaded out of 6 total pieces. Now we can represent our fractions using visual models straight on our paper or dry erase marker or dry erase board. We don't have to be folding paper each time. So to do that, we'll draw a rectangle just like our strip of paper. We're going to split it into 3 equal parts. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we're going to shade 1/3 of them. So notice that 1 out of the 3 parts are shaded. When we folded it before, so we folded this, we went up and down, and we opened it to have 6 pieces. I'm going to do the same thing with our picture here. I'm going to act like I'm folding it in half, and when I opened it up, I had a line down the middle and 6 equal pieces. So here, 1/3 of the whole paper is still shaded, but we have 6 pieces and 2 of them are shaded. Let's see if we can find another equivalent fraction. We have 1/3. Let's see if we folded it up again, and we folded it here, and we made them smaller pieces. Open it up. All right, so let's count how many pieces we have in total. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are shaded. I'm going to go back here. 1/3 equals, we said we had 12 pieces and 4 of them were shaded. So let's look here. We can draw that on our visual model on our paper. We're going to cut each of these thirds in half. Notice we didn't shade anymore, we didn't erase. Let's make sure we have all the right pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are shaded. So 1/3 is equivalent to 4/12. We're going to do one more, but this time we're not going to use the strip of paper. We're just going to use our dry erase board. Let's do 3/4. We want to find equivalent fractions to 3/4. Sorry, it's blurry. It'll fix itself in a sec. We're going to start by drawing our rectangle. And we're going to cut it into 4 equal pieces. And we're shading 3 of them because our numerator is 3. And when we folded it, we made it so there was a line right down the middle. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Let's see. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total pieces. And let's see how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3/4 of our paper is still shaded, but we made each piece or each part a little smaller. And we see that there's 6 pieces shaded out of the 8. 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. Let's see if we can fold this even more. We have 3/4 that we're starting with. If we cut each of these portions in half, it makes sure all the pieces are equal sized. Okay, now the pieces got really small. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces. And then let's see how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are shaded. So we didn't draw any more lines, we didn't shade anymore, we didn't erase anything, but 3/4 of the entire paper is still shaded, or 12 parts out of 16 total parts are shaded. So 3/4 is equivalent to 12/16. I put a quick activity on Google Classroom for you. There's points, but just so you know if you got them right or wrong, it doesn't count as a quiz grade, so don't worry. And then I put on iReady a lesson on equivalent fractions, so you won't know exactly what's going on in class. Tomorrow, we're going to do the same thing with equivalent fractions, except for instead of using pictures, we're just going to be using the fractions. Hope you feel better soon. We can't wait to see you.
Get better soon.